Oh my god, I'm like surrounded by. It's a line there, it's another line there, and it's a line back, and then all them bays. And here we go again, guys. Welcome back to another Trucking UK videos. I am inspecting the truck, making sure everything works fine. We're gonna cut it off here. I'm gonna get in that truck. I'm gonna drive to my next location. So I'm gonna get in this truck and get out of here. So do that. I am half an hour early, but due to the traffic that you find on the 62, that half an hour can turn into an hour. Oh, what an amazing guy. All right, we have arrived now. This must be the way in. Yeah, this is the back of that warehouse. Holy Jesus, macaronis. It's like 100,000 people in here. I think the best thing to do right now is just go there, talk to them and find out. I better go and talk to them and make 100% sure this is the right one. Oh, sure, but it's no signs anywhere saying much, so I better go and talk to them. But it looks a bit, it's a lot of space to turn around there. Good. All right, this is gonna take a while, but best thing to do right now is get in the trailer, short it, and get it ready for when we go in. So not a bad idea to do it right now, so I better do that. Yeah, I do that right now. Let's see. Yeah. So basically what I want to do is just want to slide the back and get the container right at the back. Just gentle, just go back gentle. Oh, I heard a pop there. Way. So they can take the stuff off, and what we got is this one. This is a pain to tear. Oh, it's a pain to pull that one. All right, the trailer's ready. Just level it up. Nice. That's about it. All right, a couple of people have been saying that this slides forward, but I don't believe it, so I need to try this. I need to do this one properly. This actually works. So they said, well, everybody's been saying to lift it up. Need to pull this, and then no way, no way, Jose. No way, Jose. Oh, no way! No way! They actually does push forward. Look at how big. Oh my god, that's filthy there. This is the reason why. Oh my god, no way! He actually does. He actually pulls forward. No way, man, I made up with this. Like, it's filthy. This is getting it clean now, like today. One thing is, doesn't matter how much I clean this, it's like this all the time. It's like still finding little bits and places that we don't know about it, and then instead they'll dust and stuff like that, which is going to happen. A second-hand truck is a normal thing to happen, but this, I'm over the moon with this. Look at this. It's meant to be just like this. Look at how much more space you go that oh my god. All right, put this back on, so I'll be back in a minute. It's a lot of things that I want to do to this truck, but one step at a time. All right, time to get in now. Do it the same way that everybody else is doing it. Hey. All right, wait. It's going up in the door for them. Just wait for the rest. All right, because there's not enough space there, we're going to use this to drag it out, and I show you how we do it. I've done this a couple of times now. It's the best way to do it because there's not enough space to turn the pallet around with a pump truck. And that is obviously how you do it. So I get back in there, get with the pump truck, turn that around so you can pick it up with the forklift, and we get out of here. So do that. down. Okay, it's gonna have to be straight. So when you push it down forward, when you're pushing it forward like that, it's gotta be careful. Don't drop it.
I'll do it, yeah.
I'll do it. Last two. Front truck out, and that's us done. Okay, those. Oh, what's the keys? Keys are here. Haha. Okay. Brakes. All right, and then what we gotta do now is push forward and put them on the number 3, not number 4. Remember, it's a 20 box, 20 for 3, and for 45, it'll be the same one. All right, slow. Oh, I think that's a 4 there. So you slide back a bit, so I kind of slide forward all times. Just got it. That's it, pull that forward. Oh, that's it, that's what we need. Is it? Yeah, I'm going to check the other side, take my brake off as well. Yeah, happy days. Let's go, let's get out of here. Let's go! All right, happy days. Just reverse a bit so I don't mount that little curve there. I don't know whose curve it's, but I gotta look after the stuff. All right, good to go. Let's go back to C4. It's 81 miles. I get there 12:30. I need to take a break in 2.5 hours, and basically that takes less time getting there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get there, get my next box, and then I'm gonna drive to the next services. And if I see that I'm not gonna have enough time to do that, I'm gonna take a break first, and then I'm gonna get going again. My luck, yeah, a little bit of traffic now. Ain't gonna be too bad anyway. So I get there with 1 hour spare, so that gives me enough time to get there, get the next container on, go for the break, and then get my Manchester on. I think it's gonna be a slightly late, but we will try not to do that. We want to be there on time. This is heaving in here, like so much people. Look at this. I've never seen it like that. Look, so it's a line there, it's another line there, and it's a line back, and then all them bays, every single one of them are busy already. So I gotta wait for somebody to get done so I can get my truck in and then get out. But other than that, we don't seem like gonna get out of here anytime soon. Hey, I managed to get in the bay now, and that wasn't as long as I was expecting to. I don't like coming to the docks and spending this much time in here, because if then tires are not rolling, I know I am. Then tires need to be moving non-stop. Just one of them things now. And one thing I have seen is that every time somebody comes out of the bay, the person that's coming out is trying to do hand signs. Be like, hey, in here, I'm coming out, next one. Everybody's helping each other, that's a good thing. Just wait for this box to come out. I'll let you know what happens now. All time, the container's here now. I should record that. That's the gentle touch that he just put there. Like, he dropped it and then he stopped like a second before putting it on, and then placed it like the slow I have ever seen it so far. Yeah, we're ready to go. Let's go and change this lock. Sorry, not change. Let's go and lock this up. Let's go. All right, I just done my math now, and I got a half a tank, and I need to do 204 miles. So that'll be enough for me to get there, come back, collect another box, and go back to the yard and wait for the following day, because tomorrow's going to be a whole day trip. So I might get lucky and then I manage to do another one tomorrow. We never know. So I didn't say it before, forgot to say it, but the job changed last minute. Instead of me going to Manchester and going down to Bath area, so that's a 204 miles. So the job has changed now. I hope you're liking. If you are, like, subscribe, comment, all that. This channel is all yours, guys. Thank you for the support all the time. Let's keep going. Let's see what we get up to. All right, like I said before, and your second break, if you're gonna stay out and you're gonna do around 15 hours, just make sure you have a shower in between, because don't want to be out there stinking. So I'm gonna go and get my shower and I'll see you in a bit, kids. All right, sorry that I didn't record coming all the way down here. I literally stopped right now. I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow, I'm gonna make this delivery, and after I've done this delivery, I'm gonna get back up and hopefully we get out of the docks with another box. Doesn't seem that it's going to be really busy tomorrow, but the last minute change down here is actually being on our favor. So I really like how things are looking out this week. So we're going to carry on going, and I will keep you updated, guys. Let's go. Woo. All right, the roads around here are tiny, but they're not impossible to get to. The only thing is the trees are just growing out. Yep. And it just keeps getting windy and windy. It's a 20 a mile. It says max speed on the bends as well. Whoa, 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 whoa. The houses are right on the road. Couldn't live there even if I wanted to. Definitely not that way. It's everywhere, like 7.5 tons you get. Oh my god, I'm like surrounded by weight limits and stuff. Wow, man, like I've been here before. It's been a long time since I've been down here. Like I said before, it's weight limits absolutely everywhere around this place, so can't even go that way as well. Well, except for loading. But we're not going loading, we're offloading. Jubiets. So that is the building we're after over there. So it's an entry for HGV just after the roundabout. So it's that one. No, over the bridge just before going up on that bridge. Open. No pedestrian cycling. All right, we're here. Okay, 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 okay. We have arrived on time. Bay free from where? Oh my god. He said bay free, but I don't know. It's like it's all that is base there, and there back there is base as well. Ah! All right, I spoke to some guy there. He told me the bay free starts us from this side and it's here. So let's go and park this truck there. He broke the ball already, so let's go. Yeah. Look at that. how can you say I am not one of the best UK truckers? Like, you can't be saying that, like, obviously. Thing I forgot to say, guys, before. Really appreciate the support you give me on the likes or the comments, even the bad comments. Like, I do appreciate all the help. Without use, none of this would have been possible, and that is what I try to give 100%. And everybody that trying to bring some value content, that trying to bring stuff. If I don't know something, I ask, and if you know that there's something wrong, people tell me. Even though there is a lot of people waiting for me to fail, that's not going to happen, because I am putting my 100%, and thanks to you, all of you stay looking behind this camera and giving a massive help. I'm so grateful for you. Like, first of all to God, then you, and then I'm grateful that I got hands and legs to be able to work hard and do all this. So I'm gonna carry on pushing. I'm gonna go and find out what way I'm gonna go, because I don't have a clue, and then I will come back. So cheers, guys, let's carry on with this.